Good morning children. Today we learn about subtraction. Before I will tell one example. Here how many pens? This is a one group of pens. Here one group I collected all pens. How many pens here? Count along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. One pen take away. One pen take away. Remaining, how many left here? Count along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This is one example of subtraction. Now we learn subtraction. Okay. Subtraction spelling SUBTRACTION. Subtraction. Okay. Subtraction means taking away a bigger number to smaller number. Already one example I will explain. Group of pens. 5 pens. One pen take away. Remaining how many pens left? 4 pens. Okay. So the subtraction involves taking away bigger number to smaller number. Bigger number to smaller number. So here 5 is a bigger number. Okay. 5 is a bigger number. The bigger number is called minuend. Minuend spelling MINUEND. Minuend. Okay. This symbol is called subtraction symbol. The subtraction symbol is called minus. See, like this, sleeping line. Okay. The subtraction symbol is called minus. Minus spelling MINUS. Minus. Okay. This is small number. This is small number. The small number is called subtrahend. Subtrahend spelling SUBTRAHEND. Subtrahend. Okay. 5 pens. 1 pen take away. Remaining how many left pens? 4 pens. This is the result. This is answer. The answer is called difference. Difference spelling DIFFERENCE. Difference. Okay. So this is using the terms of subtraction. Now I am going to the subtraction facts. Subtraction facts. Fact number 1. Subtraction fact 1. If any number, subtract 1. Any number, subtract. The answer is before number. For example, here one group of books or collect of books. Count along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many books here? 5 books. So 5 books. 1 book take away. 1 book take away. Remaining how many books here left? Count along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 5 before number, which number? 4. 5 before number 4. If any number subtract 1, the answer is before number. This is fact number 1. Next to subtraction, fact 2. Subtract itself number. Subtract itself number. See, here 3 pence. Here 3 pence. 3 pence take away. 3 pence take away. Remaining how many pence here? No pence. No pence means what? 0. No pence means what? 0. Okay. Here subtract itself number, we get 0. So subtraction fact 2. Now cross out, find the answer. Cross out, find the answer. See here, here how many apples? 3 apples. How many apples cross out? 2 apples cross out. Okay. Remaining how many apples here? Count around me. 1 apple here. Okay. This is the cross out subtraction. Find the answer. How to you solve the subtraction here. Next to different ways to subtract. Different ways to subtract. Okay, different ways to subtract. First, vertical subtraction. Vertical subtraction. Vertical subtraction. See here, 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3. See here, how many fingers? 6 fingers. How many fingers close? 1, 2, 3. Remaining how many fingers? 3 fingers. Okay. Next again one example. Again one problem. 8 minus 2. Tell me the answer. 8 fingers. How many fingers close? 2 fingers close. 1, 2. Remaining how many fingers count along with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. This is one type of method. Another type of method. Now I will tell. 9 minus 5. I am using lines. See, subtraction is possible. Bigger number to smaller number. Here 9 is bigger number, 5 is smaller number. Now I draw here 9 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many lines cross? 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remaining how many lines left? Count along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is the vertical subtraction. Next to horizontal subtraction, like sleeping one. Horizontal subtraction. horizontal supply like swimming. See here, 6 minus 4. How many boxes cross? 6 minus 4. So 4 take away. 6 boxes, 4 take away. 4 boxes cross. Remaining how many left here box? 2 boxes. How many left here? 2 boxes. The answer is 2. 6 minus 4, the difference is 2. Okay. Now I will tell you one example. 9 minus 8. By using lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 minus 8. Bigger number to subtract smaller number. How many lines cross? 8 lines. Here 8 na? 8 lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remaining how many left lines? How many lines? Left 1 line. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. The difference is 1. Now I will give homework. Cross out and find the answer. Cross out and find the answer. This is one problem. Next to B1. This is the another problem. Next to vertical subtraction. Subtract vertical ones. 9 minus 1. This is one problem. And another problem, 8 minus 4. Next to subtract horizontally. Subtract horizontal. A1, 9 minus 9. B1, 4 minus 2. Do in work 4. Thank you.